Here's a look at an Internet of Things example using Progress Rollbase and a NetDuino Plus 2. In Rollbase, I've created the Device Controller application. It's a simple app, but it's powerful enough to manage and control a collection of connected devices. In a few moments, you'll see how it's also able to track all the data we collect from these devices. Right now there's just one device listed, our NetDuino Plus 2. You can't really tell from the video, but it's quietly pulling the device controller application every so often to see if it should be accepting user input or not. This communication is all being done via the REST API we can use with all of our Rollbase apps. Since the two are connected, you can see the physical device respond if I change the value of the enabled field here in Rollbase. Now that it's active, it'll accept user input. In this case, button presses. This device has been programmed to send a notification back to Rollbase each time the button is pressed, but only if it's been enabled in the device controller application. Now that we have a few notifications in the system, let's go ahead and deactivate the device. Managing connected devices and receiving data from them is great, but let's go one step further and add some visualization of how many notifications the connected devices are sending. From this point, we can do all sorts of things like modify the devices to process and send us sensor data, then tell Rollbase to alert us if certain values are received. Or we could use completely different devices, ones that interface with other systems we wanted to monitor. What would you build?